everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how my husband renovated the guest bathroom and the kids bathroom, and I decorated them. So I hope you guys like it. And also, I'm sorry about the audio from my phone, it's broken. So next time, hopefully, it'll get better. Thank you. This is our guest bathroom and it's all done. My husband changed the floor and he painted these tiles. It used to be light pink. He painted it white and painted the wall white.
Okay, I'm making great progress. My wife doesn't know that I'm doing the floors in here, which I had to take the washer and dryer and all that fun stuff out all by myself. So I'm trying to wrap all this stuff up before she comes back from a family trip that she's on. So yeah, the floors are just about done. I just got to wrap up the trim work. I changed the light switches to the more modern switches, but I'm having problems. That's a lighted switch and it seems to leave the light still dimly lit. So I read up on that, so I got to look into that a little bit and possibly go with a non-lighted switch.
Oh my god, Daddy did the floor here too. Oh my goodness. I really love this wall. So that one right there, it used to be medicine cabinet and we didn't need it for downstairs. So we just took the door out and my husband just put some sheep wall. This mirror right here, I got this at Amazon and the hand soap too. And my husband changed all the faucet, and this one is a new cabinet from Home Depot. And just look at my toilet paper, guys. My toilet paper holder. I got that one from Amazon. And this carpet right here, I got this on Amazon. This right here, I got this at Ross. And there's two wall flower hanging thingy. I got those at Amazon. Yeah. I love how this bathroom turns out. It's really cute. And this is the kids' bathroom. All done. Same floor from the guest room. Same vanity. The mirror, kind of the same, but not really. It's from Amazon also. Vanity from Home Depot. That sign right there was from Hobby Lobby. And that one too. So we changed the medicine cabinet. Changed the shower. Say bye-bye. This thing is it's heavy. My hands is sweating. Bye. Thank you.